Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a mask. I'm going to be using Indian healing clay for the first time. I got this from the vitamin shop here in my city, and I'm going to mix that with aloe vera. This aloe vera juice is fruit of the earth that I got from Walmart. I mixed pretty much equal parts until it was more so like a clay kind of doughy mask in a bowl, the aloe vera juice and the Indian healing clay, and I just put that in like a plastic gladware container that I no longer needed and mixed that up with a plastic spoon. So I'm going to be applying this mask into small sections in my hair. Just take some onto my hand, re-wet that section just because my hair had dried up a little bit, and then apply it to make sure that I'm coating each strand. So I didn't detangle my hair. I think I kind of finger detangled a little bit, but I didn't detangle it. So that's why I was kind of struggling a little bit. So let me tell you, before you apply this, you do need to make sure that your hair is detangled all the way through. That kind of slowed me down. So I think eventually I just stopped and detangled in sections and then went back and applied the mask. But I just fully coated almost like I would do a wash and go or apply any other thing to my hair, any other product to my hair. And I just do row by row. I'm taking smaller sections, so smaller rows, just so I can make sure I have all of my hair completely covered in this mask. So this is how my hair looks, completely covered with the Indian healing clay. You can already see the definition that it gives. I did put a plastic cap, well, two plastic caps on top of my head and then waited like 30 minutes, 45 minutes with it in my hair. And then I went ahead and rinsed that out. I can say that I did like my results even after just rinsing my hair out, rinsing the mask out of my hair. My hair was defined. My curls were like popping. It was soft. So I can definitely say that I'll be adding this mask to my hair about once a month. I'm not sure how often. I have to look into that you can use this. But for now, I'm just going to start off by using it once a month. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I'm just going to go ahead and style my hair. I'm going to be doing a wash and go using my Camille Rose products, and you can see that video up next. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel.